Are you looking for a way to check your battery percentage quickly and easily? In this video, I will show you how to add a battery widget to the lock screen of your iPhone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, swipe down from the top left corner of the screen to bring up the lock screen. And then tap and hold anywhere on the lock screen. After that, go ahead and tap on the Customize button at the bottom. And then select Lock Screen. And now you have the ability to add and edit your lock screen widget bar. Simply tap on it, then scroll down a little bit, and select Batteries. If you already have widgets, you can remove them and add this if you want. So now all you have to do next is simply tap or drag to add this widget. Once you add that, tap somewhere on the screen, and then tap Done at the top right corner of the screen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.